In today's video, I'll show you how to make an Asana project private. By default, projects can be visible to your whole team, but sometimes you're working on something sensitive, a budget, a hiring plan, an early idea, that you want to keep to just a chosen few. Let's jump in. Starting from the sidebar on the left, I'll open the project I want to lock down by clicking on my test project. Now, up in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the Share button. This is the control center for who can and can't see this project. I'll click Share now. This opens the members dialog, and the setting we care about is right here in the middle, under Access Settings. You'll see a drop-down that currently shows the project's visibility. I'll click on that drop-down to see the options. And here are your choices. You can leave the project open to your workspace, or you can lock it down by choosing Private. When a project is private, only the specific people you've invited can find it or open it. I'll select Private now. And that's it. The project is now private. From this moment on, it won't appear in searches or project lists for anyone you haven't explicitly added. Your sensitive work stays exactly that, private. One helpful thing to know. Making a project private doesn't kick out the people already on it. It simply stops anyone new from stumbling in. You stay in full control of the guest list through this very same Share dialog. So to recap, open your project, click Share in the top right, open the Access dropdown, and choose Private. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.